Join us in our 70 subscriber special. Grab some popcorn and congratulate yourself for this accomplishment, Whipped Cream family.
Hello, my name's Jimothy, and I am really cool. Got lots of friends, Paul, Felicity, Bevan, the list goes on. And on, and on, and on, and on, and on, and on. And on, and on, and on, and on, and on, and on. Hey everybody, welcome back. I may be crazy, but I'm close to 70 subscribers, and I just want to do something insane. So this is going to be my first time ever solo camping alone. And it's actually going to be in a blizzard that's below zero. So I'll show you the setup. This is in the daytime, and next time you see me, it's going to be in the dark. So in the corner, I got a couple of mixtapes, for something to do and stuff. I got some dehydrated whipped cream and sprinkles, and then some dehydrated bananas and strawberry syrup in case I get hungry. And I also got a really cool propane refrigerator I saved up for. I'm not going to use it though, because I only have 2 propane tanks, so I'll have to wait on that. Over there, I got a spoon and fork, and in the corner over there, I got a plaque for my YouTube play button. It's made out of tinfoil. I waited a couple of weeks or so for YouTube to send it my way after I hit that milestone. Anyways, let's go outside so you can see the outside of my tent. I can't feel my toes, by the way. Come on, dog. He's an orange cream bar. Orange cream bars don't have toe... Never mind. And so right there is my... Oh, hold up, guys. I'm getting a call. Hello? This is Jimothy speaking. Oh my God, are you serious? Craig got eaten? Dude, that's crazy, man. He had a lot to live for. He had a wife, 2 kids, and a baby on the way. Yeah, I know. What do you think Pamela will say? What do you think Sarah will say? I'm gonna pay his family a little visit later. Yeah, that son of a bitch owed me money, and maybe I could squeeze it out of his family or something. Anyway, I'm gonna call you back later. I'm in the middle of recording my 70 subscriber special right now, so maybe we can pick this up when I'm done? Hey, after editing this video, I realized that was very insensitive to Craig and his family, and I'm sorry. Not because I accidentally disclosed my intent to finesse his mother, grandma, and other immediate family members for $2.75, but because I did not emphasize enough that broke motherfucker hasn't paid me for like 2 years! And I know he had money. His ass was always flexing on the gram. So if you're watching this, Wanda, Sarah, Pamela, that boy owes me money, and I don't care if I have to dig up his warm dead popsicle stick to get it. And another thing, Hey guys, I'm sorry I had to stop that. That was completely out of Jimothy's character, and to be honest, I ate Craig on accident. In all reality, I was just really hungry, and I was supposed to let that motherfucker melt. He owed me $1.38, and he hasn't paid up. I wanted him to sleep with the fishies, the goldfishies and stuff, because I had goldfish for lunch. Yeah. So this is the outside of my tent. My house is right there, so just in case it gets cold, I don't die or anything. And you can see there's quite a bit of snow, but I think I'll be all right. Well, here we are, it's nighttime. I've got the propane refrigerator running.
Well then, boy, you better go catch it, ha 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 ha.
I can't leave it on all night, sadly, because I don't want to suffocate from carbon monoxide poisoning. So I'll probably turn it off in a little bit, but for now I'm gonna...
Hey, Jimothy?
Huh?
I'm sorry to interrupt your set right now, but I just got a call from the police, man. That wasn't Craig Phillip Timothy 8. That was some random dude named Evan. So I'm just gonna leave you with that information because Craig is actually alive, and I think he's seen your little video. And he seemed kind of pissed. And you know how Craig gets when he's mad. I would ask if you're going to be alright, but I got shit to do tomorrow, so see you later, Jimothy. I totally told Craig about it.
So it's about 7 p.m. right now, and I cannot sleep. It's so cold in here. But I'm going to show you around anyways. Here's my setup. Still got my propane tanks. Still got all my utensils over there. My YouTube play button is still hanging up in the corner. I got my mixtapes, which are fire, by the way, laid up by the dehydrated food. They've been keeping me company in these lonely hours. I just realized it's kind of dark in here. I don't know if you guys could see any of this, but I'm going to turn on the light so you guys can see everything. Craig! Yeah, so me and Craig got in a pretty bad fight, and he's in the hospital right now for non-life-threatening injuries, but I beat him so bad, he is unrecognizable. They gave me about 5 years in state penitentiary, but it's cool because we finally hit that 70 sub mark. Anyways, everything is folded up and put back nicely for my camping trip. Here's my tent right over there, and this is where I keep my propane tanks. This is where I put all of the...
What's up, Jimothy?
Paul? What are you doing here?
Well, I'm coming here to bail you out.
The victim in your trial passed away due to unrelated circumstances, so there's no more witness in your crimes. You've been acquitted of all your charges and you're off scot-free. Damn, I wonder how any of this could have happened.
Oh, this? No, this isn't Craig. This is actually Diego from the HR department. Craig was in a pretty bad motorcycle accident. It's kind of a shame, though. He had a family and stuff.
On today's episode, Jimothy learned that if you owe him money, that boy got shooters out here, man. You better pay up. Not because he'll do anything, because karma. He's got karma on his side. Now, if you like this episode, I hope you hit us with a thumbs up and a subscribe so you can get notified every time we drop a new episode. I love you, and see you guys next week. Don't melt, because a milkshake can wait. Yeah, some are brown, some are blue, some are green. Reflections in a pretty thing. Don't you better I look pretty in your eyes. Make a stupid nigga cry when I see another guy. Put a love up in your eyes. Big whisper.